Hey everyone, welcome back to the BlazeX channel. By now, you should have received your camera, and you probably have a few questions about how to install and set it up. So today, I'll show you how to install, connect, and calibrate your camera. Let's get started. Before we begin, prepare a camera, a USB cable, and a LightBurn calibration card. For the best results, we recommend a calibration card around 4 by 6 inches. First, mount the camera onto the machine and connect it to your computer with the USB cable. Open LightBurn and make sure you're using the latest version, LightBurn 2.1. Go to the camera panel and click Add Camera. Select USB, then choose USB camera. Once you see the camera feed, click Next. Then select Create New Lens Calibration and follow the instructions. You can also click Print Calibration Card if you need to print one. If your material has some thickness, place the calibration card on top of the material to avoid positioning errors caused by height differences. For thin materials like craft paper, you can place the card directly on the honeycomb bed. Follow the positions shown on the screen and place the card in each area, then click Capture. Make sure the camera can clearly detect the calibration pattern. If it can't, the capture button won't be available. Once lens calibration is complete, we need to align the camera view with the laser position. LightBurn offers two options, automatic alignment and manual alignment. Next, select Standard Camera Model, click Continue, and choose Top Camera. Before starting, make sure the laser head is homed and the coordinate mode is set to absolute coordinates. This is important for accurate positioning. For a faster setup, let's use automatic alignment. Click Automatic Alignment. LightBurn will engrave 4 alignment points: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Adjust the speed and power based on your material. For this example, I'm using 6,000 millimeters per minute at 80% power. Also, set fill settings to match line settings, so LightBurn can recognize the alignment points more easily. Click Home, then Frame to check the engraving area, and click Start. Once the engraving is finished, LightBurn will automatically detect the alignment points. And that's it, your camera alignment is complete. Let's test it with a simple square. Adjust the parameters and start engraving. And look at that, a perfect match. You can also choose manual alignment. First, engrave the 4 alignment points. Click Home, preview the engraving position, and set the parameters to 6,000 millimeters per minute at 80% power. Then start the engraving. Once it's finished, click the 4 alignment points in order: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure each point is clearly visible in the camera view. Once all 4 points are selected, the alignment is complete. Let's do one more test. Place a piece of felt inside the machine, import your design, and adjust its size and position. Perfect match! And that's it! Your camera is now calibrated and ready to go. Like, comment, and subscribe for more BlazeX tutorials. See you next time!